Hey, can I be real with you for a second? You're probably here because you're struggling with something I know all too well. Creating the kind of visuals that stop people in their tracks. Whether it's for your business, your brand, or even your side hustle, you know how important visuals are these days. But here's the problem. It's either way too time-consuming, way too expensive, or let's face it, just plain frustrating to get it right. Does that sound familiar? Because I've been there. I used to spend hours jumping between design platforms, Canva, Photoshop, trying to piece things together. And the worst part, after all that effort, the designs I made, they were just okay. Nothing that really popped or made me feel like, wow, I nailed it. That's when I found Vinci Pro AI, and let me tell you, it changed everything. Look, I know you're probably skeptical like I was, but stick with me here. Imagine this. You need a new logo for your business, or maybe a killer Instagram post to grab attention, right? Normally, you'd be spending hours trying to figure it out, or paying a freelancer a small fortune to do it for you. But with Vinci Pro AI, you can just type in what you need, hit a button, and bam, you've got professional visuals in seconds. I'm not kidding, I've done it myself. You don't need any design skills, you don't need to spend hours learning new software, and you definitely don't need to break the bank. Vinci Pro AI takes care of it all for you. Need an animated video? Done. A 4K image for your next ad campaign? Done. An Instagram reel that actually gets people to stop scrolling? Done. And listen, if you're thinking, yeah, but I've got Canva or Photoshop or insert whatever expensive tool here, let me tell you, those tools, they don't compare. Sure, they work, but they're time-sucking monsters. Vinci Pro AI gives you everything in one place. Animation, design, 4K visuals, social posts, all done in minutes. It's like having an entire design team at your fingertips without the headaches. But here's the real game changer. Vinci Pro AI doesn't just save you time, it makes you money. Yeah, you heard me right. This isn't just a tool to help you create content, it's a tool that can help you profit. See, there's this built-in marketplace with over 10 million active buyers who are waiting to pay for the exact designs you create. I started selling my designs the day I signed up, and in less than 24 hours, I'd already made my first $450. If you're running a business, building a brand, or even just trying to grow on social media, you need visuals that stand out. Vinci Pro AI gives you that and more. It takes away the frustration, the stress, and the endless hours of design work. Now, let's talk straight. You know those big design platforms like Canva and Photoshop? They've been around, and sure, they're decent, but they're not built to make you money. They're not designed to give you back your time. Vinci Pro AI is, and right now, the window to join is closing. Once the marketplace hits capacity, that's it. No more new users, no more access. If you've been thinking, maybe later, I'm telling you, now's the time. You don't want to miss out on something that could save you hours, skyrocket your content, and even bring in some extra cash. Don't let the competition outpace you because you waited too long. You need this. And not tomorrow, not next week, but today. So what's holding you back? Is it the cost? Because let me tell you, Vinci Pro AI is a fraction of the cost of all those platforms you're probably juggling right now. Is it the worry that it'll be complicated? It's not. If you can type in a keyword and click a button, you're good to go. I'm telling you this because I've been where you are. I was tired of spending money on tools that didn't give me results. I was tired of losing hours creating designs that didn't convert. Vinci Pro AI changed that for me, and I wanted to do the same for you.